Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So from now, let's start today's news. Alright, so Darren Bent will be one of the football pundits out there. So Babakon Komasa going to talk about Arsenal forwards. We're going to talk about Martinelli especially and Odegaard. So we're going to be of the opinion say these two players, they are nowhere near their usual Arsenal level. You get the way they play for Arsenal in the past, so take know them. See, they don't really they play like in that light. You get say if you look last season, you see say Martinelli scored like 15 goals, Odegaard scored like 15 goals. Odegaard was I think the best player of the season, but this particular season where we did, say no really bad the way Odegaard and Martinelli they play. So it no be about creating chances, they create chances. But Shane go say na ill luck. Abi Shane go say na they know day for the game. Like you know the excuse we won't give, but the Coco be say by the time we then return from this in this 2 weeks break, where they go because I think that this weekend now they play. I think it's on Sunday or thereabouts. Now they play Crystal Palace. So this weekend, so make them come back. Say for all those our forward, say not only Bukayo Saka na him feel say they live up to expectation. Like when you compare Bukayo Saka's numbers of last season, compare them to this season's numbers, even though this season never finished. When you compare both numbers, go see say it dey very, very similar. Go see say at the end of the season, no how, Saka go dey very, very close to what he do last season or surpass what he do last season. So the major problem we Arsenal actually get now, make them give Bukayo Saka a rest. Don't be playing him every day. So make them get somebody who go replace him, which is very, very hard because of the financial fair play policies. So getting a cover for Saka for this particular window is going to be very, very difficult. So maybe now for the summer, now we expect something like that to happen. So I don't know whether I want to subscribe to the line of thoughts of Darren Bent or whether I feel say what will they do more maintain the status quo. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now away from that, so Solekor will be one of the Sky Sports reporters, Sky Sports people. Babako Komasakon they explain why Everton are rightly punished. Why the punishments Everton no feel like even if they appeal and they no feel do anything because Everton they talk say why they will punish them for the same financial window where they don't already get punishments before. So Solekor, I was watching the Sky Sports expose where Babako they explain say the law states that in a 3-year like season, 3-year financial window, you must not have a loss that is beyond 105 million pounds, which means in a season you are expected to have a loss of at least 35 million pounds. Now the loss where you get entitled to. So this is why I say Everton they argue, say they're not supposed to punish them. Say now just argument to say if they come for courts or come for the independent commission, they go fail woefully. Saying really like how Nottingham, because if you watch the statement in Nottingham Forest put out, the statement no be like no be a combative statement, no be statement where they like argue. They just do for one kind conciliatory mode. When they follow the FA, they say, okay, Baba, we see how we fix this our problem. We understand someone that don't penalize us. Yes. I was actually here to say if they won't give them like point deduction, now a minimum of 6 points, now they will give them if they won't give them. So we'll just see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Now, Roy Keane, he gets the back Douglas Luiz to actually join Arsenal in the future. Although he concedes say the amount of Aston Villa they request for that's 100 million pounds, he did over the top. How many people can offer Aston Villa 100 million pounds if they won't sign Douglas Luiz? It is a no-brainer. Say even though you know if you join them for this January, but once maybe summer don't reach because this thing where Aston Villa they do now, maybe something we see they will do regularly. Don't expect Aston Villa to come and be fighting for top 4 regularly, season in, season out. This is like a one season wonder. Now one-off. It's a one-off event. So in the future, make it reason Arsenal because Arsenal will fit them. Arsenal will be like the best place for him to go and play. And they say even Man City self, the reason the Douglas Luiz because Man City don't they set to let Calvin Phillips leave. The only problem now say they never get people who can't offer them the money with them they fine. So they are willing to let him go, and if he leaves, they won't sign a replacement. Now what in Man City they talk. So anyway they go share, more just the watch. Now away from that also, so Michael Olise. They say Manchester United, the reason the guys they won't sign him, they disturb him. But also what they hear now, they say Michael Olise don't tell them say in favor Arsenal move over Manchester United move. Although Arsenal know they even the reason in direction. Arsenal know they even they look inside for now because we don't have that financial leeway. The thing is say after this 2022, after this 2023-2024 financial report has been submitted, because mind you, whatever kind of business you do, everything will reflect for your 2023-2024 financial reports, where we will submit, I think, December 31st. You get, we will submit. So once we don't submit them, then it will feel affect us somehow. So I think that is why everybody is having a quiet transfer window, because from what I read today, we are very, very close to the limits of that loss, that threshold. We are close to it. That's why we are not spending. Not just also, we are many clubs get. We are very, very close to that limit. And this brings us to the question of why this financial fair play, profitability, and sustainability regulation is very, very good for football. If to say this FFP no day, you know what's for the happen? The likes of Newcastle, the likes of Chelsea, the likes of Manchester City, the likes of PSG, they go to rule the world. Person no go fit compete with them in buying players. Do you know that presently Newcastle are the richest club in world football? I'm a man, I know very Jerry. Somebody just call my phone. So as the person call my phone, now the thing just affects us. So like I was explaining, say, do you know that the Saudi Arabian investments fund, now then they like sponsor Newcastle, and for that reason, you get. Okay, the person they say it's been a while we got this network issue. Yes, somebody called my phone because I dey stream live with my mobile, so that's why it didn't affect the stream. So let's go back. So what thing at the top we say Newcastle are the richest club in the world. If there was no financial fair play policy, Newcastle go fit buy all the whole stars within the world, carry and put for their club. They go dey make all the whole top four. You get, PSG could have been doing the same thing. Manchester City could have been doing the same thing. So that is why, as this financial fair play policy come dey, it is like a protection for those who don't really get the money to spend anyhow. You get, so now like protection for them. That is why the policy they very, very key. They can put a threshold, say yes, you must be spending according to what you generate, how much will you they make. So that is why for those who don't really understand this financial fair play policy, that is why it is really, really needed in the way we do things moving forward. So now so it just be. Now, away from that financial fair play policy explanation, so Bernardo Silva and Ruben Diaz, according to cut offside. They can't let us know, say, let's say Pep send them, but they go cut Pedro Neto. Remember, say all of them are Portuguese professionals, then be. So Bernardo Silva and Ruben Diaz, they can't tell Pedro Neto why he not supposed to join Arsenal, so making can join Man City. They can't wind up. Like I was reading the report, I was very, very surprised. In fact, now not going to hear say one of the tactics where Man City they use now to use some of their stars to poach their potential targets. Because before Jeremy Doku joined Manchester City, do you know that Kevin De Bruyne was used to talk to the player, making him join them? You get so that's something we say. I don't know before that today when I read the reports for cut offside, I call the CF. So you say Arsenal they interested in signing Pedro Neto. So one of the promises they promised Pedro Neto, and the fact say he go get like say they go use him, go there for bench. He gets. And look, they honest. If Pedro Neto join Arsenal, will he be in the starting 11? The answer is no, because I thought I would favor Saka. Even though maybe Pedro Neto will come Arsenal, I can't bear past Saka, but that sentiment of our academy player, our star boy, our best player, that sentiment, you go if you cloud Ateta judgment, Ateta will only play Saka 2-4-7. Because honestly, let's be honest. Do you think if a player comes in and plays better than Bukayo Saka, Ateta will bench him? Like honestly, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Honestly, just tell me, because I think I get this sentiment. If you don't love player like this, you know they feel like one bench them the way me I see the way the man they coach. So it is what it is. Now away from that self. So now for those who don't know how far, so Everton actually need to sell ASAP as soon as possible to make sure say by the time when they go tender the financial reports of 2023-2024 season, so they no go get another financial fair play issue, which is why they go like to sell some of their assets. Some people don't get the mindset now, say, make Arsenal rush, go Everton, go they give them money, or say they go like to sell this Amadona. I say, forget all those 60 million when they talk. If you carry like 40 million, go give them. At JC, they go like to sell the player. Because if they no sell, they may still have another problem. When we look at another 3-year profitability and sustainability regulation window, they still get another problem. So over to a breaking news where I see this morning, it gets when we even related to Arsenal. So as I know, say AS Roma don't sack Jose Mourinho. So this news came as a surprise to me. I just see the report, like it is trending on Twitter now. Right now. I just see I'm like 10 minutes, like some few minutes ago before I came live. Say breaking news from Sky Sports: AS Roma sack Jose Mourinho. Say in the last 5 games they don't play, win one. Like some kind excuse with me. For me personally, I don't think they should be sacking him, because this is a man that give you guys your trophy. Like they win a UEFA Europa Conference League for how many years? They don't ever win anything. When was the last time Roma won something tangible? Yes, they're gonna sack the guy. So that's the reason why sometimes I know they really pity managers when they are very, very ruthless, because the name of the game is hiring and firing. If anything goes wrong, okay, look at their excuse. In 5 games, we win 1. You get, see the way things they go, they feel no make Champions League top 4. You get, at the end of the day, Chena Mourinho say when the players no score the goal, but last night, now comes the fire. So that's the thing. So most times when Ateta behaves some kind of ruthless way, but I don't really blame him, because at the end of the day, if things are going bad, how comes the fire? You get. So though some people are still happy say as they don't sack Mourinho, so maybe they go fire Pochettino, can't sign Mourinho for Chelsea because he know how to handle Chelsea. So that one no concern Arsenal, but I just make I just throw the news in there for those who know they aware. All right. So at the same time, Fabrizio Romano called the talk say Arsenal don't they set to announce David Raya deal. Say 30 million deals. So Arsenal and Brentford already agree everything. So we say the men and make Arsenal just announce them. It gets, because remember it was a loan with an option to buy. Arsenal don't exercise their options. They would like to sign a player. Everything has been sorted out together. So just remain the formal announcement, like official announcement for it to be official. All right, guys. So the biggest news of the day, now the fact that Darren Bent, come outside the talk, say Martinelli and Odegaard, they are nowhere close to their normal Arsenal level. Because when you look at last season, Odegaard scored like 15 goals, Martinelli scored like 15 goals. So the only person where you feel say they're close to a level like the record we set last season, now be Bukayo Saka, because look at the numbers Bukayo Saka don't give as of now. Season never end, but at least you can see beat your chest say by the time the season go end, the numbers that Saka produced last season and this season, if surpass her, it go day similar, it go day very, very equal. So once we come back from this international break, make the likes of Odegaard and Martinelli know how they will tweak their game, because people don't really understand how then they play. Know how you tweak your game and make sure so you the boss net get. So that's the way it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So it's like come your way in the evening as usual. I'll get out there. Thanks for tuning in. All right, guys. Bye-bye.